Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video we will customize our Grub bootloader. So if you have dual booted your computer, you must be finding some screen like this. Grub is the default bootloader for most of the computers around the world. So this is the basic image what you will see when you when you boot your computer. But this is ugly, right? We are installing another operating system to make ourselves cooler, not because we want to just not go into the crowd. Everybody is using Windows and Mac, right? So mostly we use Linux. So let's start to customize this thing. So to customize this thing, what you need is a software known as Grub Customizer. I am using Linux Mint, so it is pretty easy for me to just go to the software manager and I am running a screen recorder, so my PC is a little bit slow. I am not using a powerful PC, so let's wait for it to open. So here you need to go and search for Grub. See, here is Grub Customizer. For those who don't use Linux Mint, I will just suggest you to go to the description. I will provide a link where I will give some terminal commands that you will need to run line by line, so that you will be able to install this. And after you install, you just need to open this. So let's open Grub Customizer. You will need to provide it authentication. So this is what Grub Customizer looks like, and I have installed Linux Mint, Windows, and there are some recovery files and some firmware which is by default I have not set up. And in the general settings you can change how long you will wait and what operating system you or whatever option you want to go into. When you boot up directly, you can go there. You can customize some of the things here, but not everything. And after you have done everything, you can save it and you will be basically done. So for themes, what we don't have downloaded any themes yet, so let me tell you how you can download a theme. Open a browser and go to Genome Look. Just search Genome Look and you will come across this website, Genome Look, and here you will find an option for Grub themes. So just go into that. So here are some it is sorting it by latest. So these are the latest themes that you can download. So I want to alert you that not every theme is legitimate. These are posted by some random people, some random developers who develop things, but what will be most trusted is when you have a good rating. So sort it by rating, and here you will find some top rated Grub themes. And then this theme looks great, and it is by Vmix. Vmix is very popular if you don't know, and I have read some of the comments and it seems not a big deal for any of the user or whosoever have rated this. So we can trust this. So to download, depending upon your screen, you can download 1080p, 4K or 2K. you just click on the download button and the file will start downloading. So I just click on download and just click on this, and the file will be downloaded. Let's go to downloads. So look, this is the file that we just downloaded, and what you will need to do is then right click and extract. So I have a file vmix 1080p that is the extracted version of this, because I had downloaded this a while before, and here you will find installation file and a license file. So what you need to do, you need to copy this folder, open that folder and copy the folder which is next to .sh file, not the whole file that you have extracted. Please keep in mind. So just copy this folder and go to your file system and boot, then grub and themes. If this themes folder doesn't exist there, create this. And here I have pasted this vmix folder that we just extracted from the .tr.xz file. So here is the vmix, and then we need to open our grub customizer. In the themes section you will find vmix, select that, and then you just need to save this until it is updating its configuration. Let me tell you that to paste this here you will have to open this in the root. So you will have to just first open it as root. You will have to provide authentication, and then you will be able to paste or delete something, and also you will able to create the folder that I told, themes. So let's wait for it to complete its updation. After this is done, you can just close this and reboot your system to see if it worked. So just go and reboot your system to see if it worked. This is what grub customizer looks like when you have successfully installed that theme, vmix theme. This light is due to my screen. My screen is not IPS or a LED screen, so it doesn't have a good viewing angles. So it's just an image I have took when I rebooted my computer. So I can just close this. So hope you got a better picture of what the theme will actually look like. One more thing that I need to tell you, that if you want to rename some of the list items that you have, you can also do that with the grub customizer. So let me open grub customizer, and so let's say you want to rename this. So you will have to right click on Windows boot manager and rename, or on whatever you want to rename, and you will have to just double click this and you will be able to rename it. It is not a big deal, right? So for example, this Linux Mint 20, it was default to was being called Ubuntu, but it is not Ubuntu, it is Linux Mint 20. So to have a clear picture of what I am using, I just renamed it to Linux Mint 20. And after you renamed it, you don't forget to save and quit, and then the thing will work. So thank you people to have some patience and listen to me. Don't forget to subscribe and visit the site. I have described everything that I have discussed in this video. If you want to follow the instructions in the description list below, I have provided a link. You can go there and see. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.